So now you've chosen a profitable niche. Congratulations. You've already done something that most beginners never do. But here's the truth. Choosing the right niche doesn't make you money. Choosing the right product does. Imagine spending 6 months creating YouTube videos, writing blog posts, posting on social media, and even running paid ads, only to realize the product you're promoting has terrible conversions. That's one of the biggest reasons beginners quit affiliate marketing. So how do professional affiliate marketers choose products? They don't look for the highest commission. They look for the highest probability of making consistent sales. Let's start with where you can actually find affiliate products. If you're promoting digital products, some of the biggest affiliate marketplaces include ClickBank, Digistore24, PartnerStack, Impact, CJ Affiliate, ShareASale, and individual SaaS companies with their own affiliate programs. If you're promoting physical products, Amazon Associates, Walmart Affiliate Program, Best Buy, and many direct brand affiliate programs are excellent options. But don't sign up for every affiliate network you find. Instead, evaluate every product using these 7 questions. First, does this product solve a real problem? People rarely buy products. They buy solutions. Nobody buys a drill because they love drills. They buy it because they need a hole in the wall. Nobody buys a weight loss program because they love exercise. They buy the feeling of becoming healthier and more confident. Always remember, sell the outcome, not the product. Second, would you actually recommend this product to your best friend? If the answer is no, don't promote it. Your reputation is worth far more than one commission. Trust takes months to build. It only takes one bad recommendation to destroy it. Third, how much commission do you earn? Many beginners think higher commissions automatically mean more income. Not necessarily. Let's compare 2 products. Product A pays a $20 commission and converts at 10%. Product B pays a $200 commission but converts at only 1%. Which one makes more money? Most people immediately choose product B. But product A could actually generate more consistent income because far more people buy it. A balanced combination of good commission and strong conversion usually wins. Now let's talk about recurring commissions. This is where affiliate marketing becomes really exciting. Imagine promoting software that costs $49 per month. Instead of receiving a one-time commission, you earn every single month as long as the customer keeps their subscription. Imagine referring just 100 customers. If your recurring commission is $20 per month, that's $2,000 every month before making another sale. That's the power of recurring income. Whenever possible, look for subscription-based software, memberships, or digital services. Now here's another metric most beginners completely ignore: refund rates. Some products promise huge commissions because they know lots of customers request refunds. If a product has poor reviews, low ratings, or unrealistic marketing claims, stay away. Your audience will remember who recommended it. Always research reviews before promoting anything. Read Reddit discussions. Watch YouTube reviews. Check Trustpilot ratings. Search Google for customer complaints. Spend 30 minutes researching today, and you could save months of frustration later. Now let's discuss product demand. A great product with no buyers is still a bad affiliate product. Use tools like Google Trends to see whether interest is growing. Search YouTube. Are creators making videos about it? Look at Google search suggestions. Visit Reddit communities. If thousands of people are talking about a product category, that's usually a positive sign. Next comes platform selection. This is another area where beginners become overwhelmed. Should you use YouTube, a blog, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, or email marketing? The answer isn't all of them. Choose one platform. Master it. Then expand. Let's compare the biggest platforms. First, YouTube. In my opinion, YouTube is one of the best long-term affiliate marketing platforms. Why? Because videos continue generating traffic for months or even years. One helpful video can bring visitors every single day. It's like creating an employee that works 24 hours a day without asking for a salary. The downside? Creating quality videos takes time, but the long-term rewards are incredible. Second, a blog. Blogs are excellent if you enjoy writing. Search engines can send free visitors every day through Google. Product reviews, comparison articles, tutorials, buying guides. These continue attracting readers for years when optimized properly. Third, Instagram. Perfect if your niche is visual. Fitness, travel, fashion, lifestyle, beauty. Short-form videos and carousel posts can build trust quickly. But remember, social media posts usually have a shorter lifespan than YouTube videos or blog articles. Fourth, TikTok. If your audience spends time on TikTok, the organic reach can be amazing. Short educational videos can go viral overnight. However, traffic can be unpredictable because algorithms constantly change. Fifth, email marketing. This isn't usually your first platform. It's your insurance policy. Social media platforms control your followers. Google controls search rankings. YouTube controls recommendations. But your email list belongs to you. That's why every successful affiliate marketer builds an email list from day one. Think of your content as renting attention. Think of your email list as owning attention. Now here's the strategy I recommend for beginners. Choose one primary platform. For example, YouTube. Create valuable content consistently. Send viewers to a landing page. Collect their email address. Build trust through email. Recommend products naturally. That's a complete affiliate marketing system. Simple, scalable, and proven. One final piece of advice before we move on. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Many beginners spend months designing logos, choosing colors, building fancy websites, instead of publishing content. Your first video won't be perfect. Your first blog won't be perfect. Your first landing page won't be perfect. That's okay. Perfection doesn't build businesses. Consistency does. Now we've covered profitable niches. We've learned how to choose products. And we've selected the right platform. But there's still one missing piece. What happens after someone clicks your affiliate link? Sending people directly to an affiliate offer is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Professional affiliate marketers rarely do that. Instead, they build a simple landing page that captures leads, builds trust, and dramatically increases conversions. In the next part, I'll show you exactly how to build a high-converting landing page, create an email funnel, and launch your first Facebook and Google Ads campaign, even if you've never run an ad before. This is where your affiliate business starts looking like a real business instead of just another affiliate link.